Hello friends, I am Chandrasekhar Chaugule, founder of CalQuan India. Thank you for joining this introduction to PGoD. PGoD is an acronym for Parametric Generation of Drawings. PGoD is an intelligent CAD automation solution developed specifically for highway and infrastructure engineering projects. In the next few minutes, I will show you how PGoD transforms repetitive engineering drafting into fast, automated, and highly accurate process. As you are aware, in an infrastructure project like highways, hundreds of repetitive drawings need to be generated. These designs are frequently revised. The revisions are mostly delayed because of CAD drafting. Also, there is a risk of inconsistencies and errors because of CAD drafting. I repeat, PGoD, that is parametric generation of drawing, automates this entire process. You define the template once and thousands of drawings can be automatically generated with a single button click. For imagination, think of it this way, that you are having a spreadsheet and based on the spreadsheet, hundreds of drawings are generated with a single button click. Now, what you see on screen is a typical box culvert longitudinal section, L section of a box culvert. The whole drawing was generated automatically, and that too to the scale. It is not a schematic drawing. I will show you the complete drawing. This was only one view. Now, here you will see this is the frame that is normal required for the drawing. This was the view, L section view that we saw. This is the plan, cross section, another section, etc. And you can see the layout here. I select the paper space. This is a drawing that is good to go on the site. This drawing is for one location. For a highway projects, you may have hundreds of such box culverts. You may be under the impression that this software is limited to box culvert. No, it can be used for any type of structure. We will see some sample drawings that were created fully automatic. Not a single line is drawn in CAD. So this is a pipe culvert similar to what we saw, but slightly different. Then here you will see there is an elevated road portion at the center. There are some side service roads. You will see here you are having multiple cells. I am repeating again and again, these are fully automatically generated drawings. This drawing was generated using PGoD. You will see some pier drawings. These were also created. Pile foundations, girder layouts, railway VUP. This is girder detailing. You will see here the details of the cables and the charts. Even the drawing for this chart was automatic. I repeat again and again, all these drawings are fully generated automatically, nothing manual touch-up. This is for tunnels. Any type of structure can be generated using PGoD. I will show you a live demonstration of PGoD. Here you will see this is one view and I may have multiple views. So you will see here we are having multiple views. This is the plan, cross section, etc. And here I have got the layout or the paper space. How is this drawing generated? I will explain. In a project, I will have multiple location. For example, you can imagine these are my chainages. Here you can see we can scroll through the drawings. This was the L section for chainage 7 plus 809. I move on to the next drawing. You will see this is 8 plus 055, another location. There will be some slight changes in the parameters. This is another third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So, just for demonstration, I will add another drawing. Just imagine that I am having another location. I go here. Suppose I say I have a chainage 10 plus 500. I have another chainage 10 plus 700. And I will save it. So instead of 5 drawings, I am having 2 more, that is 7 drawings. You will see here, I move on to the next. I get a drawing for 10 plus 500. Similarly for 10 plus 700. Now you may be wondering, if the drawing is same, what is the use? How I can change these values? Width of carriageway is 7 over here, 7 over here on the right hand side also. We will go to project and we will go to parameters. So if you see, I am having different parameters for the drawings. Width of carriageway left and width of carriageway right are 2 parameters which I have made them as variable. Suppose I go to variables and change the values. So for demonstration purpose, we have added. Now please note, we have changed the values for 2 drawings, width of carriageway left and width of carriageway right. So just keep an eye over here. Widths have been changed to 9 for 10500 and 9.5 to 10700. I close this. You will see here the width of carriageway is 9500, width of carriageway is 8500. So this way I can change any parameter, I can change the slopes, I can change the invert levels, I can assign conditions, etc. This is a brief introduction that I have given you. There are many other things that I will show you in the subsequent videos, how we can define templates. Here in the introductory video, I just want to tell you that we can generate any number of drawings, structural drawings based on templates. It can be box culvert, it can be piles, it can be girders, etc. Please note, this was an introduction. I have not given an in-depth demonstration of the software, just a brief overview. In the subsequent videos, I will be explaining each and everything one by one. Thank you.